Græða 25. Haftsænir, gapþrosnir, geirölnir, valkyrjan, geirlöðnir, geirdriful, and other queer concepts that have hitherto not been fully explained, because the scholars, mostly or all churchianity men, efficient and good as they otherwise may be, have, due to lack of proper education, not fathomed the abyss of fornisiður. No one knew another level of being, existing, than this our charming world of thoughts, research, theories, subjects. Ergo, all worldly, superficial, misunderstanding, the only beacon to sail by. Freyjukettir Norræn menning. Picture from Saul Bróðirins, an awarded short story, available on Amazon in English. Soul of a Brother. Has someone told you about the necessity to cool down the tríguna? Getting away from our beautiful and beloved nature for a while. Cool down thoughts, cool down mind to get away from stimuli overload. Have you ever seen nasty burns that tease others and hurt them? Have you got the idea that these burns are not good? Why behave like this? Did you ever get the idea that it would be impossible to learn all that all books offer? Even what school selects for us as worth studying is perhaps not exactly what we want to learn. School does a good job choosing for us. He who really lives life from the sphere of laws of nature, Tívatún, teflir teitur, divine and happy, until tríguna of nature, þursa meir þrír, show up, is the realm of all knowing. He finds, can access, knowledge within. He is a king, his kingdom, our universe. This is the essence to be understood in fornisiður, knowledge that we did not understand during the dark ages of ignorance. This can never be abused. It is the profundity of siður. The visual surface can be abused, distorted, manipulated, copied, applied. Men can discuss the superficial appearance, steal it, misunderstand it, but truth not. Óðinn yppir svipum fyrir Sigtíva sonum was not understood by the scholars. They do not know that Ginnungagap only is, do not know that they themselves are Ginnungagap. The eye can see everything but itself, some say. Same goes for us as consciousness. Ginnungagap, consciousness, in a human body which has its 5 senses, loses the sight of that Ginnungagap, consciousness, is the only there is. Our eyes do not see it. We do not see ourselves. Óðinn Ilivye only find knowledge, Ginnungagap. Óðinn sees himself or finds himself as knowledge. Hilbert Space Observable states in the unified field names of Óðinn Ilivye moving within Ginnungagap. UF, the unified field of total natural law, the field of perfect correlation, harmony, orderliness. We live in the material world, see that, but do not know what it is in essence. Rishi Devata Chandas, Sattva Rajas Tamma. Eggjungur Ása, Óðinn, Askur Yggdrasils, the tree. What is Ygg? What is Drasil? Drösul from Tras Sanskrit, to be a seer, Dris seeing, Sarvadarshin, all seeing like Sauka. What would that be? We? This is we. We can see that the world is only Gungnir. Slack education. We do not know what we are, do not know our limitless supremacy. Of course the scholars did not know that all these peculiar names of Óðinn were indications to something deeper than their worldly imagination gave rise to. They thought the world to be all there is, did not know that our forefathers possessed a greater profundity of life than they, the highly educated scholars themselves. Haftsænir, of course, Sóa hafti, and Guðinn are höft og bönd, and són is fórn. But how and why and what? Scholars knew not that fórn is to bring, færa, individual consciousness to the feast at ægis. Gap þrosnir, quite a headache. What gap? Þrosnir what? How would that be done? Misleading artists' versions of Óðinn, wearing a helmet, holding geir, warrior-like, personification of powers in misleading versions from all kinds of men. Fylgði þeim friður hvar þeir fóru lönd, peace prevailed wherever they travelled. The Eggjungur must have been frightful, vekja Ugg, great warrior king. Nobody dared oppose him. But fear is not peace, it is fear. There is a profound explanation, which the scholars did not understand. When peace prevails in individuals, peace in national consciousness, then peace is in the surroundings. Google the Maharishi effects and the Meissner effects. This is modern science and ancient Vedic science. A group of men practices the TM Siddhi and yogic flying together. Their consciousness is universal consciousness only. They think from this level. Group effects, exponentially stronger, has mighty effects on the surroundings. Physics, ancient physics of ancient cultures, has always been. Now we can start calling our times age of science because we are learning the ancient. Some are still stuck in the shallow modern science, all about worldly phenomena. Might know about Tivatun, Ragnarjöt, the unified field, because Einstein said it must be. But who knew that this something not measurable were our consciousness? And here we have a misleading personification. Man, horse, woman who collects dead, poor little scholars. All they got was belief in the letter, from costly man-made institutions, invented smart systems that claim all to be real history, real events, all worldly. And we have to believe that, or else. Of course, scholars can add info to their heads. Do it all the time, intelligent men. We can all do that. We are doing that all the time. Valkyria serves consciousness. My theory is, Sleipnir is human nervous system. We are Askur Yggdrasils, man, trees. My theory, rooted Askur and Embla. Roots bring nourishment. Symbolic language is fascinating. Deep inside, we know all that I am explaining here. It enchants us because we recognize the truth. We knew it all the time, have always known it. We understand at once that Odin í Ormslíki, we slide through Rata tunnels, this is my theory, which are wormholes of physics. Through the space-time foam Freyja, is also my theory, directly into Hnitbjörg Gunnlaðar, where Bölverkur, he who rips up, perforates, we, þambar mjöð þekkingar, gulps the meat of wisdom. We can learn all this by heart, we can understand intellectually, but that only counts for having fun with gynisgarða trinklets and vanity only. See skýrnismál. Thoughts about a concept and words to explain truth are chaff and wrappings only. Information, good as it is only worldly stuff, gungnir, ymir. 100% intellectual understanding is good, but not enough. We need to gain 100% experience to forna bring individual consciousness to ægir. Knowledge is structured in consciousness. Here we get it pure and free. We are this consciousness. Valkyria is the performance that leads to what is taught in Hávamál, Vísa 138 and on. Val, Sanskrit, means go, hurry, come near, also to return home, come back home. Scholars see only dead bodies on a battlefield and feed us on their narrow-mindedness. Geir is Odin's weapon, world is Gungnir. Gungnir is the weapon we use to create in the Ginnungagap's soup. Gungnir is also the weapon we use to cool down our mind. Geir Ölnir, Geir Löðnir, Geir Drifur, Geir this and that. Geir from Sanskrit Hesha, quick, strong, fiery. How could the scholars, who knew nothing about vibrating Gungnir, see more than a trembling Geir weapon? They knew nothing about that silly Nisa Niður rubbish. Gungnir, Odin's weapon in the world, what would a shivering weapon mean? Now we have the knowledge to cool mind to zero, and so fetch the understanding. In the vicinity of Ginnungagap there is the greatest joy. Gladheimar, wideness, gladness of consciousness is right here. Human awareness expands to infinity. The scholars thought that Fornasir had to be to kill oneself for some god. The Jesus on the cross was thought to be all about death and suffering. This is the offspring of Kali Yuga. Romance and crosses and brutality was all they were fed on. Fimbuljóð 9 nam ek. I gained 9 powerful poems, charms. Ek drekk gat in stýra mjaðar, got a sip of the precious meat. So we thought they got drunk together with Odin in Gladheimar. We didn't know that wine is the flow of consciousness of living men. Some mix-ups too, with dead men's abodes, ideas used by theocracies. We are chasing the little happinesses in the world by thinking about all this, by understanding, by our intellect. When we nísumst niður to find the knowledge within, then we have the true real happiness. That is sæla sólar hamin, bliss of sun gained. That one knows no dualities, no change, does not come, does not go, as we are it. Our little worldly happinesses have a shadow called sorrow, because they tend to have the bad habit of sloping off. Our senses busy bringing sweets to the mind, top right on yellow picture, and to the left on yellow picture, sense of hearing gets attracted to Gungnir, the mantra the TM teacher chooses. Mind finds a break, hangs in space, lokn fara, calm, windless, charmed, and gets the chance to cool off. Get away from trikuna, the qualities of nature, the bossy ones, þursa meir þrír. automatically, without any effort of doing, by its own nature. Mind becomes but a faint thought. Í Loggfaralundi, hangandi, sískírnismál and Hávamál, vísa 138 to end, where mind expands. Our awareness expands to infinity of reality, Ginnungagap. Nobel Prize for the research of expansion of rubidium to become huge wave, when cooled to the extent that molecules slow down, indicates that is science. The same goes for our mind. When consciousness dives into consciousness, ripples are formed, gungnir, ripples on the surface where we plunge. The most subtle surface becomes active gungnir, vibrations. Whereas here, all silence and all dynamism is here together in one place, and this place is the only reality. This affects everything, all our world. All is this universal consciousness. Geir, weapon of consciousness, Sanskrit Heshu, Hesha, is all over in no time, no mystics. As here there is no time, no space, no resistance, not the law of inertia. Here I am the king of the universe, and here only perfectly correct decisions can be taken, because Tyr, God of righteousness and highest divine law, lives here, in me. This explains why friður fylgir ásum hvar þeir fara lönd, peace prevails where æsir travel over lands. Why Jesus sees it as normal and effortless to love all as oneself. You will see for yourselves when you reach Valhöll. This is most normal for a man. We notice even from young age that some bairns are good, some are not. Some grown-ups are good, some simply not so good. Among us are men on different ages, on different stages of consciousness. Meaning here what Rígur tells us in Rígstöla, see Skræða 11. Valkyrjan does not enter into Ásgarður, because she is a performance on the sphere of the senses, the cooling system. Our senses relate to our höfuðskepnur elements and take their job seriously. They are the open gate to stress. Gungnir out there is tickling. They get hooked. Mind thinks about the worldly. Mind has to know its origin and recognize the gap. Sleipnir waits outside Ásgarður, as he is our worldly creation, created, highly evolved human organ. But I am in the hearty manner welcomed by Odin. Welcome home, friend. Val, Sanskrit, to return home, come to our very home, be near to where we belong. In Valhöll we belong. That is our perfection, our enlightenment, the purpose and goal. Nothing less is our only true home. Nothing less is appropriate for a human being. And this is so practical in daily life, man. Now the laws of nature start working for us. We are free from the fetters of material life, Gimisgarðar. We live unrestricted. Fimbulrúnir, handy and practical in daily life. This is called science of luck. We like when things are going our way, support of nature. Mind goes from activity to inner calm, compared to drawing a bow backwards before shooting forward. We are reloading the batteries by withdrawing mind. Mind imbibes power and serenity, and has so gotten pure potential to use in the waking, alert state. Process is so easy and natural because pure consciousness is our very home. We need not burglars' device to get into our own house, do we? We have a key. Mind floating in a hang on meiður, Hávamál. This is how our key works. Do not use effort practices. Do not contemplate on a thing. Do not use concentration. Do not concentrate on a thought, whatever thought it might be. Do not stare at a candle until eyes shed tears from sheer overuse. Too much supply of all kinds of systems that are on the sphere of the worldly. Our brain might be numb, show signs of numbness, overtiredness, relieved when we stop that practice. Do not take the relief as a sign of the practice doing favor to the brain. According to EEG, such over-exerting is a misfortune. The ancient technique, now named TM for all men, Transcendental Meditation, is effortless, natural to the mind, and we do not interfere with the process at all. If we try, or push, or hope, or wait, we are holding on to a thought. We are not leading the mind in any way. Whatever we do is only to spoil. TM is automatic, works from the first second, if learned correctly and used rightly. The teachers check, as we wish, to see if we are doing it right. No effort needed. Krana, Sanskrit, means occasional, for a moment, not lasting, unstable. Kranika dhyana, dá dvínun, for a brief moment. Nísast niður, transcend. Good start. We have reached the fourth stage of consciousness, for a while. Millions of men pay such a visit to themselves. Millions have learned the TM technique. We are without the tríguna, þursam þrír, for a brief while. Nísum niður, föllum aftur þaðan. Automatic cycle for 20 minutes each session. Refreshed, we return to our work, study, fun, play, and worldly thoughts. Now we are no longer overwhelmed by the vicious cycle of actions. We should nísast regularly niður. Then ullur will roast for us the seeds of memory in the vicious cycles of actions. Gradually, we regain mimir, memory of who we are in truth. This is the evolutionary process to which we are born. Valhöll is the goal of life. Bragi says hi to Loki, mankind, and they become friends. In presence of Ginnungagap, mind is least excited. That is the greatest joy. Yoga chitta briti nirodha, silenced and the most powerful. The union of consciousness is yoke, union, yoked to oneness. Valkyrian is born along with man, us, who have our evolved Sleipnir nervous system. We, bregðumst í ormslíki, take on the guise of a worm, slide into Hnitbjörg of Gunnlöf, cave of hospitality, gulp up mjöðin mæra, the precious meat of wisdom, that is, kvasir. We have gained wisdom. Man's mind is now in accordance and harmony with Tivatun, laws of nature, nurtured and watered through our roots from the 3 wells. If we don't, then we wither away. How wasted a human lifespan for nothing? We see in the universe the might and perfect orderliness of natural law. We are this perfect whole. Too often we are too silly. We do not see, do not know. Therefore, due to our ignorance, we violate. We do not live in flow with the whole. We do not understand where the thunder power lies and see ourselves as mighty men. No crude man can meddle up with the laws of nature in Tivatun, Ragnasjöt. A man who lives the material world only has no real power. Impure and stupid, we might maltreat nature to the extent that she bursts. She has certain tensile or takes our violation to a certain point, but not endlessly. She is powerful and we should not arouse her wrath. We can affect nature and all men from Tivatun, Ragnasjöt. Each time we nísumst niður using the TM technique, the peace we enjoy releases some of the accumulated stress in us. Sleipnir gets provoked a bit when stress gets released, disturbs mind, who takes to some involuntary thinking. Thinking is its speciality. That is, we föllum aftur, fall again, into thoughts. The TM technique is such. We have to learn the technique correctly and know what junk these thoughts are. Understand how and why we fall into thoughts in the middle of the practice. We learn how to cope with thoughts with indifference and simply transcend again. Any technique has to be applied correctly if it is meant to do good. Good to nísast niður in the morning and afternoon, 20 minutes each time. Work, study during the day, sleep during the night. We feel the power in us when we so recharge the batteries, water the roots. Fruits thereof become abundant and sweet. Now be careful not to promise too much work, as we might not have time to nourish, recharge, water, only to enjoy the fruits. Our body will be happy if we keep a healthy routine. It likes all that is healthy. Perfect health is its nature. Men tend to make stupid superficial rules that go against the purpose of evolution of mankind. Orderliness, rán rögn regin, in all life, and epli iðun are served in ægir. Gradually become mild and powerful, Meili, son Odins. The path from me to me, ever smoother. We shall find out that nothing is more natural than to love all as we love ourselves, because we are Ginnungagap. Worlds are thoughts and gungnir. The understanding of truth depends upon the stage of consciousness of each one. As I am, so is the world that I create. The universe is but gungnir, thoughts, ymir, unlimited power and what we call bits of matter. Our marvelous organ brain makes our world and brings the mind the image. We see, claim to see, a bird on a branch. We hear, claim to hear, its singing. Sight and hearing convey gungnir, that's out there. And we make a singing bird on a branch, which we see and hear. This is our creation from gungnir. No, he does it. Freyja sprouts out universes, so creates them. Out of that dynamism, we create worlds. Ginnungagap, we ourselves, cannot be seen by our eyes. Its nibble, silence, and its muspell, dynamism, silence ever awake within itself. The limitless sphere of silence dynamism in perfect harmony gives rise to the creations in the same perfect order and pattern and image, which we see in all life and all inert and all functioning. Endless possibilities are at hand in Ginnungagap and allow for creating whatever in its image. Life will be fun when every man uses his creative potential wisely. Understanding is not necessarily found in systems and institutions, as they tend to be a bunch of thoughts, words, gunnir, info, and explanations, sometimes piled up by some man that was not so pure and evolved at all. The ability, the smartness, the intelligence to make a system is one thing. Another is evolved in wisdom, which will come and have its good effects. Gods and all good wights will be powerful, awakened in us, active, if we imbibe the wisdom from our wells of wisdom. Nothing to hide, no mystics left for us to ponder on, everything fully understood, the profundity fathomed by research in consciousness. Nothing not fathomed, nothing hidden any longer. No subconsciousness, as that is a new term that psychologists have invented. Svá fundur reist fyrir þjóðarök. The swelling one decided before mankind even showed up that so it would be. Did you understand any of this, my little bairns? Probably not. Good for me and my game is good supply. As I see it, Gunnir and the Tríguna Þursameir are just fine. Are we any better off with that something that nobody can see? All small research is supported by the Ministry of Culture and Education. Nísið niður, nefnið upp dimbulrúnir, known also as research in consciousness. New theories, the real meaning rediscovered, learn to understand, symbolic language, allegory, abyss of meaning, etymology, profound understanding, the beauty of our forefathers' wisdom, and become literate in the broader sense. Knowledge cannot be given by anyone. The pupil finds the knowledge within himself. He is consciousness, where all wisdom and knowledge abides. Thank you, Morrissey, for pointing out to us where to find it.